At Windsor Academy Trust, unlocking personal potential is at the heart of everything we do. This residential, it's a transformative experience for our Windsor Academy Trust Student Centre. Here, we're building future leaders, empowering them to shape the new WAT Pledge for our secondary schools and ensuring they leave ready to inspire others across their schools.
The Pledge is all about the exciting experiences we get outside of the classroom. We're looking at which activities are the most valuable and what new opportunities we could add for future students.
Our group decided that being first aid was most important.
Think about the 12 opportunities promised in the pledge. Your input is going to help us build these set of experiences. It gives every student a chance to grow and learn new things.
Would you like another one? Good speech, by the way.
Oh, fine. Thank you. This is not just about leadership in words. These activities are teaching us how to work together and trust each other.
Developing you as leaders and young people who volunteer your time to lead others is one of the most important things we do.
Sitting together like this makes me realise how connected we all are, even though we're from different schools.
This is fantastic work, everyone. You should be incredibly proud of what you've created together.
Personal potential isn't just about one of those aspects of growth. It's about resilience, collaboration and the courage to lead. The Windsor Academy Trust Student Senate embodies these values. Their new pledge will reflect a shared vision for a better, more connected future for all our schools.